The dodo, a flightless bird native to Mauritius, epitomizes the incredible diversity of life that once thrived on our planet. Standing about 3 feet tall, with a distinctive beak and a plump, rounded body, the dodo was uniquely adapted to its isolated island habitat. Despite its seemingly clumsy appearance, this fascinating creature was well suited to its environment, foraging for fruits and seeds in the lush forests. However, the arrival of humans in the late 17th century marked the beginning of the dodo's decline. Hunting, habitat destruction, and the introduction of invasive species decimated their population, leading to their extinction within just a few decades. The dodo's story serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility of ecosystems and the impact of human activity on biodiversity. Once a symbol of the richness of life, the dodo now stands as a powerful testament to the importance of conservation and the protection of our planet's remaining species. Steller's sea cow, a magnificent marine mammal, once roamed the icy waters of the Bering Sea in the northern Pacific Ocean. Discovered in the mid-18th century by the naturalist Georg Wilhelm Steller, this gentle giant could grow up to 30 feet long and weigh over 2,000 pounds. With its thick, leathery skin and paddle-like limbs, Steller's sea cow was uniquely adapted to its cold, kelp-rich habitat, where it grazed on underwater vegetation. Sadly, the arrival of European explorers and whalers brought about its rapid decline. Within just 27 years of its discovery, relentless hunting for its meat and hide led to its extinction by the late 18th century. The story of Steller's sea cow serves as a haunting reminder of how quickly human activities can devastate even the most extraordinary creatures, highlighting the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect the remaining marine biodiversity that shares our oceans today. The great auk, a flightless seabird once found in the North Atlantic, was a remarkable testament to the biodiversity of our planet. Standing about 30 inches tall, with a distinctive black and white plumage and a large, sturdy beak, the great auk was well adapted to its coastal habitat, nesting on rocky cliffs and feeding primarily on fish and crustaceans. These birds were social creatures, often seen in large colonies, and their inability to fly made them vulnerable to predators. Unfortunately, the arrival of European settlers in the 16th century marked the beginning of their decline. Overhunting for their feathers, meat, and eggs, combined with habitat destruction, led to their extinction by the mid-19th century. The great auk's tragic fate serves as a poignant reminder of the impact humans can have on vulnerable species, emphasizing the critical importance of conservation efforts to protect the rich diversity of life that still exists in our oceans today. The Falkland Islands wolf, or wara, was a fascinating terrestrial predator that once inhabited the remote Falkland Islands in the South Atlantic. As the only native land mammal of the archipelago, this unique canid had a distinct appearance, with a sleek, fox-like body, long legs, and a bushy tail. Adapted to the island's rugged terrain, the Falkland Islands wolf primarily fed on birds, small mammals, and carrion, playing a crucial role in the local ecosystem. Despite its adaptability and resilience, the arrival of European settlers in the 18th century marked the beginning of its demise. Intensive hunting, driven by a misunderstanding of its role in the ecosystem and a desire to protect livestock, led to its extinction by the late 1800s. The story of the Falkland Islands wolf serves as a powerful reminder of the fragility of island ecosystems and the profound impact humans can have on the species that inhabit them. The Labrador duck, a remarkable and elusive bird, once graced the shores of North America, particularly in the northeastern United States and eastern Canada. With its striking appearance, featuring a distinctive black and white plumage and a unique, broad bill, this diving duck was well adapted for foraging in shallow waters for mollusks and crustaceans. The Labrador duck was known for its peculiar behavior and was often seen in small, social groups. However, by the late 19th century, it began to decline sharply due to habitat loss, overhunting, and changes in the environment. The last confirmed sighting of the Labrador duck occurred in the 1870s, leading to its classification as extinct. This bird serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance within ecosystems and the irreversible impact of human actions on wildlife. The story of the Labrador duck underscores the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect the rich avian diversity that remains today.